Alright, here's the moment of truth. It is freezing out here. I'm using this to heat up my gloves a little bit. As you can see, it is that cold. I just cleaned up the area. You can see there's still some coolant on my windshield from when it blew up. But for the most part, it's clean, so I can catch any leaks if there is any. And fixed it. Here's the line that I fixed. All the way there. Let's make sure it's not leaking. And let's hope this thing gives me no problems. Let's start it and go from there. Let me turn this off. Just in case there's something, I can hear it. Okay, I did this with one hand. One hand. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna double check. Better be safe than sorry. Everything is plugged in. Let me just clean this up a little bit so I can tell. Okay, let's turn it on, fingers crossed. Listen to that. No, wait. Oh shit, it's smoking. But that's normal. That's normal because remember the car blew up, so it's just gonna like evaporate if anything. But so far, no leaks. Yes, let's go. I am super excited. No leaks, baby. No leaks. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna check. I'm gonna keep checking. Bear with me here. I'm gonna keep checking. As you can see, look at that range right there. Fuel tank range. It is definitely low because of that blow up. Let me see inside the temperature. Alright. The temperature, it's still very cold. Which is alright. I'm just gonna leave it running until running temperature. Let's hope it gets in the middle and not past that. After that, I'm gonna take it out for a test drive and see what happens. So far, so good. So far, I did it. Keep you guys updated.